How to buy Labubu in Popmart online. Labubu is one of Popmart's most iconic designs, and here's how you can buy one online. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser, then search for Popmart. Now click on this official online store website, which is popmart.com. Now you want to log into your account. If you do not have one, simply sign up. Once you have been logged in, navigate to the characters option. Now look for Labubu. If you do not find it here, click on the All option. Once you find it, click on that. You can also use the search bar at the top. Simply search for Labubu and you will find all the result. Keep in mind that Labubu sell out fast, so you might see sold out or out of stock next to them. Once you find any item which is in stock, you simply want to click on that. Now add that to your bag. Once you've added all the items to your bag, you simply want to check out. Now you will have to enter the shipping address, shipping method, then enter your payment method. Once everything looks good, you simply want to place that order. And this is how you can buy Labubu in Popmart, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.